Senate President Chis Escudero said that he will refer the pleading that you filed this morning to the Senate legal team so they can discuss this tomorrow. Why is there a need to do such, sir?
Alam niyo, lahat po kami ay sumusunod, lahat po tayo dapat sumunod sa Constitution. Kung sinasabi ng Constitution that the proceeding shall start forthwith, kailangan sumunod kami. Otherwise, pag hindi kami sumunod, kami na ang nagpa-violate ng ating Constitution. So, kahit anong ginagawa po namin, dahil napakahalaga ng prosesong ito, ay kailangan sumunod po kami sa ating pinaka-fundamental law. At yun po ang lahat ng oath of office namin ay based doon sa ating Constitution at gagampanan namin ng walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas ang aming mga sinumpaang katungkulan.
In addition to what the minority leader has mentioned, the prosecution has collectively taken the stand that, given the Constitution says that the trial under the Senate will proceed immediately forthwith, we are of the opinion that legally sound naman po yung aming motion. However, we do understand that the good Senate President might have a differing opinion, and thus we would understand the reason for them to refer to their legal team. But we remain confident that our submission is in line with our legal theory po.
Sir, is the Senate violating the Constitution for every day that it does not start trial? It's already violating the Constitution, sir?
May tinatawag na interparliamentary courtesy. Ayokong magsalita, pero ang gusto ko lang sabihin na ay nandun yung Constitution natin. Lahat naman tayo nakakaintindi po niyan.
Oh. Sir, habang hindi pa po convened yung Senate Impeachment Court, pwede pong mag-file ng ganitong pleadings?
Alam niyo po, kahit break po ang kami, alam niyo, hindi na lang itong ganitong hearings ang nadaanan natin. Mula ng 11th Congress ay marami na akong nakita. Kahit nung panahon ng mga break, obligado, because impeachment is separate from the regular hearings of the House. Kaya kahit break, pwede mag-constitute dahil napaka-importante po nito sa ating konstitusyon. Kahit nga hindi impeachment, nakikita po natin, nagtutuloy-tuloy yung hearings ng House, nagtutuloy-tuloy ng hearings ng Senado. Mas lalo na pag ganitong usapin na this is specified precisely by the Constitution on what is the importance of this process. Alam niyo, yung taong bayan, mahirapan silang idulog sa mga korte natin pag pinakamatataas na official ang pinag-uusapan. That's the reason why we have this process.
Pero sir, earlier sinabi na po ni Senate President na magkaiba po yung regular hearings doon po sa impeachment. So, yung stand po ng prosecution panel, ganun pa rin na pinaka-importante itong impeachment at dapat forthwith simulan na.
Napakaklaro ko po ng ating Constitution that the impeachment process shall start forthwith. Anong ibig sabihin ng forthwith? Right away, without delay. Kami naman po sa 11-man prosecution team, we have to follow this. That we have to assume our duties and responsibilities para gampanan po namin. Medyo gusto rin namin mangampanya, mag-break, ganun din. Pero because of this provision of the Constitution, wala kaming magagawa eh. Pero kung ano ang interpretation nila, sabi ko nga, basahin natin siguro. At saka, pero inirespeto natin, may tinatawag tayong interparliamentary courtesy. Taong bayan na po ang decision dyan at may regular court naman, may Supreme Court naman po tayo, sana ay madesisyonan po ito.